Jehovah reigns, he reigns, he reigns. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. So today we are making this no-fail oil-less tilapia okra soup to complement some soft yellow banku. So let's get started. To begin with, I marinate my tilapia, and you can see I have my neatly washed and cut tilapia. So I season it with my mise en place, and then I also have my seasoning here. So I prepare my marinade by adding my salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some fish seasoning together with my blended mise en place to season my tilapia. So you make sure the marinade gets to all part of the tilapia. It makes it sweeter and tastier. And then it also helps remove the fishy smell from the tilapia. So after marinating, I set it aside and then start with my okra soup. So these are my basic ingredients. I'll be listing all in the description box so you can check it out. So I have some crabs, some cowhide or Wele or Kpomo, and also I have some salted fish or fermented fish, also known as momone. Then I have some onion, I have some tomato and some green bell pepper. I have some powdered chili pepper and my Maggie tablet, which is optional. And then I have my okra. I have neatly washed and cut. So in my saucepan, I have preheated. So I have this leftover herrings in my fridge. So I add it together with my mise en place as the base. And then I add some water to it because I wouldn't be using any oil. I just add some water to it to cook the base. So now I add my momone or fermented fish or salted fish together with my crabs. Hey, okra soup without crabs or Wele, that one is it okra soup? I always love my okra soup with some crabs and some Wele in it. Yeah. So I add my powdered pepper. You can also use fresh pepper and then some tomato for color. So still add a little water to facilitate the cooking process. Then I cover this for it to simmer for about 5 minutes. So whilst it's simmering, I have my okra here. So I have this boiling water, so I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate powder. Yes. Then I add my okra to it. This will help maintain the green color, and also I'll get the sliminess that I want. That is a bit draw. I hope you understand. Yes. So you can see our okra is boiling beautifully here, and then I made it a bit watery because this is okra soup, and you can see the color, very nice. Yes, so please forgive me, I lost my voice. I was a bit under the weather, but then I'm doing great. So now you can see our soup base is doing great here. Our crabs are well seasoned and cooked. So at this point, I gently drop my almighty tilapia. So I add the remaining marinade, rinse my bowl, and then add the water to the soup to help cook the tilapia. So be gentle about the tilapia, or we're gonna tear it into pieces, and of which we don't want that to happen to our okra soup. So I just cover it up, lower the fire, and allow it to cook gently on its own. Just look at it. It's doing great here. So I stir it gently. And then I have my cowhide I have seasoned and boiled already. So I just add it to my soup for it all to incorporate into each other and enjoy more marinade. And the aroma coming out, oh my goodness. You need to be here. You don't need to be told. Yeah, so banku is my favorite when it comes to the swallows. Yeah, so you can see over here, I'm adding our beautiful green okra to our soup base, and just look at how beautiful it has appeared. And trust me, it's also smelling very good. The aroma is it's unmeasurable. So you can see it is boiling gradually. And at this point, make sure your fire is very low so we don't burn our tilapia. Tilapia is a sensitive fish when you are working with. You just need to be extra careful so you don't lose it. And you can see our tilapia is intact. Our crabs are doing great, giving us some beautiful red color, or is it orange color? Send it to the comment section. So I add some onion and some green bell pepper for more flavor, more taste, and some more color. And just look at how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, it really adds some distinct taste. Oh, friends and family, you really need to try this. Please do try this recipe. You're gonna love it. So after adding, I stir it a bit, and then you can see our okra soup is doing great. So I add some salt to taste. And then everywhere is smelling great. So this recipe or this dish is healthy, it is simpler to prepare, and it tastes great. You can see how it's doing here. So we are done. So I just allow this to simmer for just about 3-4 minutes. We are done. So now I'm gonna serve myself. Like I told you, banku and okra is one of my favorite when it comes to the swallows. Yeah, so I'm dishing out. You can see the tilapia head, my favorite part of the tilapia. And I know you do too love the head. Yes, although I'm the head and not the tail. Yeah, so we are done. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Let's keep the subscriptions coming. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up and enjoy this beautiful yellow banku with me. So see you in our next video. I love you. I love you. I love you. God bless you. Let's enjoy some lunch. Bye bye.